What about the Iran situation? The ability of Iran to rejoin the OPEC market, how much will they be allowed to participate? Again, it's all up to what happens in Washington, D.C. as to how much they allow the global market to absorb. And can Iran actually begin to pump money, to pump oil into that market? Their infrastructure is extremely old and tired.
Yeah, thanks. Several layers of that question. First, in terms of ability of Iran, they do. They do have the ability to increase production relatively quickly. The question is the sanctions. The sanctions is not imposed by any international bodies, for that matter, with only a few measures, mainly by the U.S. So the question is, when will U.S. lift the sanction against Iran? We don't see quite a good prospect yet. So that is the biggest sort of a factor. Other than that, without the lifting of the sanction by the U.S., it will be very difficult for the Iranian oil to return to the market. Beyond that barrier, there's a lot of things that could happen. Iran can increase production, can add exports to the market. But that biggest factor, it still takes time, not even for the rest of the year to work out between Iran and U.S.
So all these things considered, give us a sense of price movements in the months ahead. How do you see the market performing as we go into the Northern Hemisphere summertime?
Yeah, good point. Which means that seasonal demand is going up very fast from now. Assuming Russian oil flows there, and assuming there is no return of a big Iran volumes, and there is no surprise sort of movement by OPEC Plus on June 4th, we see that oil prices, even without the move of the OPEC Plus, we see prices will go up during the summer, because we see from now to August, the Northern Hemisphere, led by Northern Hemisphere, we're looking at more than 4 million barrels per day of demand growth. And that demand needs to be met by supply. Given the imbalances, we see the price will be firm up to above $85.
Above $85.
Still under $90 in our view, but above $85, higher from today.